In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion automations to streamline your tasks and enhance productivity. We'll walk through a straightforward process to set up and customize these automations, making your Notion workspace even more powerful and tailored to your needs. Let's begin by opening your Notion page. Once you're there, we want to activate a feature known as the Template button. To do this, simply type Template button in the page and then select the button option from the suggestions that appear. This option will act as a trigger for automation, providing an easy and reusable way to execute commands with just a click. Next, you'll need to create a name for your button. Think of a name that clearly reflects the action or automation it will perform, so you can easily identify it later. Naming conventions play a crucial role in ensuring your Notion workspace remains organized and efficient, especially when your list of templates grows over time. Once your button is named, it's time to add functionality to it by clicking on New Action. This is where the magic begins as you move from conceptualizing your automation to actually bringing it to life. In this action menu, you'll be able to choose from a range of actions that suit your workflow needs. Now, it's decision time. Select your preferred action from the list. Whether it's creating tasks, moving pages, or closing a project, think about what will best serve your current projects and routines. Each action you choose will shape how your automation will behave, so it's worth considering what will save you the most time and effort. Now comes the part where you type in or paste your command. If you have specific instructions or a command in mind for this action, simply enter it here. This is where you dictate exactly what you want your automation to do. Remember, precision is key. A well-crafted command can make a world of difference in functionality. After setting up your commands, click Done to finalize the automation setup. It's important to review all settings before completing this step to ensure everything is correctly configured and will perform as expected. If you want to set up reminders, an essential feature to keep your tasks on track, type @remind in any part of your Notion workspace. You'll then want to choose Remind Me from the options available. Reminders are incredibly handy for maintaining discipline in your schedule, nudging you exactly when things need to be done. To customize this reminder, click to modify it and then pick a specific date and time that suits your requirement. This ensures that the automation aligns perfectly with your timeline and personal needs, bringing an added layer of personalized planning and organization. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up automations in Notion. By following these steps, you can create workflows that enhance productivity and organization. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and you're ready to bring even more efficiency to your everyday tasks.